So ayan guys, for today's video, mula sa ating mobile phone, pumunta lang tayo sa dial ng ating device. So tap lang natin ng dial, and then dito guys, i-type lang natin is *123 hashtag or number sign, and then call or dial. And then after naman yun guys, dito is piliin nyo lang yung magic. So kung makikita nyo, nandun siya sa number 7. So ang i-type natin is number 7. And then tap send. And dito naman guys, isang pipiliin lang natin is yung number 1, which is yung data. So type 1 and then tap send. And then after nyan guys, since nga Magic Data Plus yung ating pipiliin, so dapat meron siyang calls and text. So ang pipiliin natin dito is yung number 5 na with calls and text. And then tap send. So dito naman guys is hanapin nyo lang dito yung 499. So kung makita nyo naman guys, nasa number 3 yung 499. So meron siyang 24 gigabytes, 200 calls para sa Smart and TNT, and then 200 text messages for all network. So yun yung 499. So take note guys, lahat yan is walang expiration. So depende sa inyo yan kung kailan nyo gustong ubusin yung inyong pang data, pang calls, and then pang text. So para may register, i-type natin yung number 3. Then tap send. So ayan guys, para ma-subscribe, i-type lang natin yung number 1. And ayan nakalagay is get 24 gigabytes magic data plus 200 minutes calls for Smart and TNT, and then 200 text message to all network. So no expiry yan guys for 499. So tap na natin yung send para ma-subscribe na natin. And ayan guys, ganun lang kasimple.